What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So I missed a couple of payments on my credit cards. That's not good. It's never good. People know when you miss payments, it's not something that affects your credit score in a positive way ever. Going from 100 to 99% is not something that you're going to see a positive impact on. But let's go ahead and get into what my score change was and what the impact was of 1%. 100% down to 99%, what the impact was and what happened to my score. So before I get into this, please hit that like button. Also hit the subscribe button for more videos like this one. And make sure you get your 2 free stocks with Webull down below. And if you want to check out some of my credit card links, that helps me out as well, helps out the channel. But I missed 2 payments, one with Discover and one with Capital One. And I don't know why I let this fly out the window. I'm not a person that ever misses payments. I have, 400, I believe it's 443 payments or on-time payments that I've made, even to the point to where some credit card companies let you go an extra 30 days in order to make the payment before they report it. So it's crazy to say that I missed 2 payments. First, let's talk about missing payments, and I'll show you the impact of my score in a little bit, but let's talk a little bit about missing payments. Now, if you do miss a payment, do you think your life's over? Do you think your score's over? Do you think that you're never going to recover? You're never going to get back to where you were? What do you think about payment history? Obviously, it's 35% of your score. It's huge. It's a huge piece of your score. So you need it to be at the max that it could be. And it's the easiest portion to stay at because all you have to do is pay your bill on time, whether it's minimum payment or whether it's the total amount. Just pay your bill. Well, if you miss a payment, your credit score is not over. It's not toast. Your life isn't over. Yes, it does drop significantly, but you can find a way to recover. There are always ways to recover. And I'll get into all the methods that I'm going to take in order to get some of these taken away and bring it back to where it was, good standings, because I did end up paying it as soon as I figured it out. I didn't get any type of phone call from anybody, which is weird. I didn't get any emails. I didn't get any phone calls, which was very weird, saying, hey, are you going to make your payment? Because that's usually what will happen. If I end up missing something or have some sort of problem, I'll get an email. I'll get some sort of call that will say, hey, you missed your Discover payment. Please go on and make your Discover payment. Or you missed your Capital One payment. Please go on and make your Capital One payment, or whatever it is. So my TransUnion score and my Equifax score, which I'm going by Credit Karma, and I understand Credit Karma is not always the most accurate, especially since I made the payment probably a month ago. I didn't ever check or want to make this video, but I did drop 61 points. So I dropped from basically 730 to 670. So you're seeing a massive drop here. It's not something where you close a credit card or open up a new credit card and you drop 5 points or maybe 10 points. You're dropping 61 points. And in my Equifax score, I dropped 56 points. So you're seeing a large change. I'm never a person that really strives to be crazy above 750. I'm always around that 750 range, just because I can apply for every card at 750. I don't need to have an absolute perfect credit score. My age of credit is something that kind of lacks a little bit. Everything else really is stand still. Hard inquiries is usually a problem for me, but you still see a lot of positivity there. With payment history is 35%, also credit utilization and my derogatory marks, all of the high impacts I'm in a great area for. The problem is that my payment history went from 100% down to 99%. Now here are my categories if you wanted to check it out. Now I have 41 total accounts, which is obviously in the green. That's a low impact to your score. My age of credit is a medium impact to your score, which I have around 2.5 years. I've always been around that 3-year mark. Never really pushed above that. I'm not really a person that strives for that because I'm always opening new credit cards. So since it is a medium impact, it's not really going to affect me too much. Hard inquiries is something that's really low. That's a low impact to your score, but I have 11 hard inquiries. So I don't even know how I have 11, but still I have 11 and I'm fine with that. It's a low impact to your score. The things that I care about are derogatory marks, the credit utilization, and the payment history. And obviously I lacked on the payment history. So you can see that 1% change really affected a lot of my credit score. So let's get into some of the things that I'm going to do in order to fix this. if there's anything that I can do. Now, when it comes to fixing my credit score, um, I need to basically reach out to these companies and say, hey, is there any way that we can get this taken off my credit report? Because I did make the payment. I can basically talk their ear off and say, hey, look, I didn't get many forms of communication here. I didn't get email. I didn't get a call. And when I do get a call from a 1-800 number, it's not something that I'm willing to pick up. I don't like picking up numbers that I don't know. So maybe they did call me and I didn't know. But I didn't get an email, I'll tell you that, because I check my email every single day. I need to kind of tell them what I'm dealing with and see if I can get that brought back to 100%. But I need to talk to 2 companies in order to do it. Typically, it's easier with one to understand that. But once, they see that you missed multiple payments, that ends up being an issue. Now, I will pay closer attention to these accounts. I did not know anything was going on these cards. I usually don't have anything go on these cards. And just for something out of the blue, I guess I must have put something on the card, a bill, and not knowing that I need to pay it off. So I need to find a way to push that to 100%. But that won't kill me. I don't think it'll absolutely kill my score. My score will go back up, not to the point to where it was. It won't go up 61 points again, but it will go back up about halfway, depending on, obviously making scores. You can't ever get above that 99% if you do miss a payment. So it's all based on luck and based on what the company wants to do. But I did make the payment and we'll see how this all plays out. But I wanted to let you know the impact of missing your payment. Most people won't show you the impact, but this is the true impact of missing your payment. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think about this video. Have you dealt with any type of payment history situations, any missed payments? Let me know your situation. I know people personally that miss payments, but they didn't go back and fight it. They're just stuck at like 95% and they're cool with it. Technically 99% still in the green, but it's not to the highest level you could be. I don't like struggling in these high impact areas at all. So again, let me know what you think. Make sure you hit that like button on the video. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, and I'll make sure to keep you guys updated on how this is playing out. But I wanted to let you know that my credit score has taken a hit because I did miss a payment. So again, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Check out the links down below in the description, but I'm going to get out of here and I'll catch you guys in the next video.